Hello everybody. I'm Dr. Neeta Chavan, faculty from Bharati Vidyapeeth deemed to be university's Homeopathic Medical College from the Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology. Today we will study one poison, so that is from the group of neurotic or the neurotoxic poison, deliriant cannabis indica poisoning. Cannabis indica is all over growing plant in India and it is also known as Indian hemp. In Egypt, it is known as hashish. All its parts are poisonous. The active principle of it is not an alkaloid, but it is a fat-soluble oleoresin, cannabinol. Poison get absorbed through the digestive tract and respiratory tract. There are four main forms in which the drug get used in India as bhang, majun, ganja and charas. Bhang, it consists dried leaves and fruit shoots which are used as an infusion in the form of a beverage. It contains active principle in a concentration of 15% and it is least potent. It produces a feeling of exhilaration. Person sings, dance, eats food with relish and seeks sexual enjoyment. The effect lasts for about 3 hours and it is followed by deep sleep. Majun. It is a sweet meat made with bhang, flour, milk and butter. It produces grandiose delusion in addition to the effects of bhang. So the grandiose delusion means a delusion that person thinks he is someone great person or he is more bigger or in a complicated manner. Ganja. It consists dried flowering tops of the female plant which contains large amount of resinous exudate. It contains active principle in a concentration of 25%. The resin is mixed with tobacco and smoked in a pipe. Smoker feels lazy and indulges in a daydreaming, though able to discharge his ordinary duties. He performs his routine duties. Next one is charas. It is a resinous exudate from the leaves and stems of the plant. It is also known as hashish. It is smoked with tobacco in a pipe or hookah and is most powerful of all the cannabis preparations. It contains active principle in a concentration of about 25 to 40%. Cannabis indica, the drug is used for its aphrodisiac, hypnotic and analgesic actions. Though a drug is of addiction, it does not commonly lead to physical deterioration or to withdrawal symptoms. Fatal dose to non-addict 10 minims of tincture or 1.5 grams. Of the charas 2000 mg, of ganja 8000 mg, of bhang 10,000 mg per kg body weight. That is its fatal dose. The fatal period, death occurs in 12 hours in acute poisoning. Signs and symptoms of the cannabis indica. The main action is excitement which is followed by the narcosis. In a signs and symptoms, the person is pleased with himself, feeling of cheerfulness, he becomes talkative, there is increased appetite, depression of higher centers producing loss of perception of time and space, various hallucinations usually of a sexual character. So usually because of it, it is used as an aphrodisiac. Under the influence of drug with excitable nature, person becomes violent if he is disturbed or interfered. This stage of excitement is followed by narcosis, where there is a giddiness, confusion, drowsiness and dilated pupils. Tingling numbness of extremities which may lead to generalized anesthesia. Deep sleep, sometimes drowsiness which is followed by coma and collapse. Death occurs from the respiratory paralysis. In a chronic poisoning, so that is the addiction of cannabis indica. So usually this addiction is results from continued use of a drug in any form. It produces anorexia, so that is the loss of appetite or decreased appetite, loss of weight, weakness, tremors, impotency, moral deterioration. Insanity is get produced because of its chronic use and it is known as hashish insanity. Patient suffers from the hallucinations and delusions of persecution. The delusion of persecution means he feels that someone is treating him in a cruel way because of his race or his religion, but which is not actual fact. It is his delusion. He gets irresistible desire to destroy willfully his life and the property which he cannot recollect afterwards. He is likely to commit sexual jealousy crimes of a homicide nature. The treatment of cannabis indica poisoning. Usually, a gastric lavage with warm water, a hypodermic injection of strychnine as a stimulant, strong tea or coffee by mouth or rectum, artificial respiration if required, and the saline purgatives which may be helpful. In a postmortem appearance, usually you get the signs of asphyxia, otherwise there is no specific findings are there. Medico-legal aspects. Cannabis indica is widely used in India as an intoxicant. Poisoning by ganja is accidental when taken before performing any bold act of homicidal violence. So rarely by continued use, victims run amok. It has a frenzied desire to murder. The first one killed amongst whom assailant has a real or imaginary enmity. Others may be in the way till the homicidal tendency lasts. Person suicides or surrenders to police. So run amok is a condition where the person goes on killing under the influence of cannabis indica. He goes on killing the person one after another. Usually the first person who he kills may be having his some enmity, and under the influence of that cannabis indica, the person goes on killing one after another till the influence of cannabis indica lasts. Once the influence gets over, that person either commits suicide or he surrenders himself to the police. Thank you.